Meeting the needs of manufacturers, fabricators, and production companies across all industries, NexGen Enviro Systems provides a range of solvent recycling and industrial washing solutions. Our equipment enables you to incorporate state-of-the-art recovery and cleaning capabilities into your facility. These systems have been specifically designed to help lower operating and waste disposal costs while significantly reducing environmental impact. NexGen's recyclers and washing systems can be integrated into virtually any existing process, streamlining your production waste handling capabilities. Our team of experts can also customize solutions to fit your unique requirements. With over 8,500 customers served across North America and beyond, we're confident that we can enhance your capabilities and help you save money. Contact us today.